6 things that happen in our body when we go vegan. Today more and more people are deciding to go vegan. Not only can this change your body, but it can also have a positive impact on the planet. People who follow a vegan diet can experience some things differently from meat eaters and vegetarians, from the health of their joints and bones to how well they sleep at night. Number 1. You may sleep better. This is because vegans, in general, eat more fibrous food and less saturated fat. A study has found that this may be the perfect recipe for a good night's sleep. With a plant-based diet, you probably eat more complex carbohydrates that stimulate the release of serotonin, helping you to sleep. This means that eating starchy foods like rice and potatoes before sleeping can help you get a better night's sleep. Number 2. You may lose some weight. Several studies have shown that going vegan has an impact on your weight. In one study, both adults and children who followed a vegan diet consumed less protein, cholesterol, and saturated fat. In fact, children following the vegan diet lost 6.7 pounds, 3.1 kilograms, on average, during the study period. Number 3. Your hormones can change. While soy can be a good meat substitute, eating too much of it can have negative effects on your body. This can happen if you regularly substitute meat protein with soy protein. It has been found that eating large amounts of soy can disrupt your thyroid gland, which is responsible for your hormone control and balance. This can lead to imbalances, meaning that it might be healthier to find other substitutes. Number 4. Your joints are less inflamed. Foods such as butter, cheese, and burgers can cause inflammation of your joints because they are high in saturated fats. New research shows that a plant-based diet, specifically veganism, can help with the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. This is partly because you won't be eating as many saturated fats, and also because you will be eating more food that actually fights inflammation. Number 5. You taste things differently. Switching from a diet of junk food and animal products that are high in salt, fat, and sugar can affect your taste buds. The sensitivity of your taste buds changes when you start a plant-based diet and cut out animal products and fats. This can mean that you discover a new love for foods that you never liked the taste of before. Number 6. You become more bloated. Eating lots of veggies like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cabbage may mean that you find that your stomach is filled with excess gas. This can leave you bloated, as your body is unable to process all the fibers. Therefore, it is recommended that you drink plenty of water on a vegan diet to make sure that your digestive system is healthily